Yo, what up, family? It's your boy Chat Plug, man. Yeah, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Super tired, but I'm not. I feel fresh, actually. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, welcome back to the to volume 30, to volume 43. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch my videos. I really do appreciate that. Okay, let's go. So firstly, I would like you guys to subscribe if you're new to the family. Hit the subscribe button and also um comment. You know what I'm saying, and also like the video. Please just like the video. You know what I'm saying, just like the video, and also if you got some spare time, what you could do is just pause the video. But don't pause now. Pause the video and refresh it. Refresh the video a couple of times so I get more views. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, let's get back to how last week's trades went before we can actually look for look for opportunities this week, right? So for last week, DXY, I expected DXY to pull back to around this region before we can get our long-term movement, which is upwards, right? But but unfortunately last week what it did is it went up, then continued to I mean it went up till my target. It didn't retrace back down, it just went up till my target, and then came back falling up until my buy zone. You know what I'm saying? Or basically where price is right now. And then for Euro USD, what happened was the same thing. You know what I'm saying? I thought price was gonna come back and retest here before continuing going down, but what it did is it went down first, hit my target, then retraced all the way back to my sell zone. So I'm gonna start looking for sales. But anyway, let's get to what happened last week first. Gold. Gold has been in its own agenda lately. I don't know what up with gold. Gold is it's like gold is moving in its own world. I literally have no idea why, but yeah. All right. We have gold. I thought gold was gonna consolidate again before the breakout to the downside, due to the fact that in the previous weeks it was doing that consolidation breakout. So I thought again consolidation breakout, but it didn't waste time. It just broke out to the downside. You know what I'm saying? um what's that? Oh, UJ. And then we have USDJPY. I had expected it. Let me just I had expected the UJ, you know what I'm saying, to last week to immediately start falling, retest and continue falling. But what it did was it went up for the stop hunts. You know how it normally does. It went up for the stop hunts, hit the stop losses, then it's coming our way. So I know it's gonna go down, retrace, and continue going down. But I'll analyze that for this weekend as I continue with the video. But yeah, guys, that's how last week went. And now let's look into what we can expect for the week. But before we do that, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and comment. You know what I'm saying? We the fam, chat plug gang, in the money, everything. You know what I'm saying? Gang. So first things first, guys. I need to analyze this again and clearly see where we at, what we can expect for now. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know if you guys know, I analyzed this before. Price is currently at my buy zone. You know what I'm saying? But let me just pull out my cousin Fibonacci to hook me up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. So right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm still expecting. I mean, I expect bounce a bounce back to the top. You know what I'm saying? Or should I say, I'm now expecting dollar strength. And to be honest, my target, or I mean, my buy zone is around. Let me just make it another color. Yeah, my buy zone is around this blue box. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait for a bullish candle first. I'm not just gonna sell. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait for a bullish candle. If I get it, it's time to sell. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna wait for a bullish candle before we can expect that upward movement going to the top. I expect price. You know what I'm saying? To continue. I expect the dollar index to continue being bullish up until that level. But once we break this support and retest, then I'm gonna have a different view. You know what I'm saying? But for now, I still expect, I still expect the dollar to get stronger and everything. You know what I'm saying? Yo, what up, family? Yo, back to Euro USD. You know what I'm saying? Let's just check out the weekly quick first. Okay, so let's do close the bid. It closed bullish. I'm expecting this as a retracement back to this side before the continued downfall, right? Mm, Um, all right. So the past 5 days, it's been shooting up. Shot up like close to 100 pips. You know what I'm saying? Not close to 100 pips, around 170 pips since 5 days ago. But that really doesn't matter to me. You know. What matters to me is this. There we go. Okay. Let me just mute that. Should I mute that? Yeah. Let me just remove that. Okay. For sure. So I think I got that trend line. Yeah, yeah. Let me just. Um, for me, this is my bias. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a circle. Let me get a circle. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, well, there we go. This is my this is my sell zone. This is where I'm gonna expect to sell Euro USD, probably where current price is, but also if even if price pushes a bit higher, I can even sell it at that region. You know what I'm saying? But I'm waiting for my first, you know what I'm saying, a couple of bearish candles before I can sell. But I'm actually looking at it now. I'm expecting downward movement soon, maybe today, later on, or tomorrow morning. But it's time for the bears to take over, to fall to the downside. You know what I'm saying? Because this is just the. Let me pull out my cousin. Fibonacci plug. Yeah, around 0.786, but also possibly where we are right now. I'm actually just looking for dollar strength. You know what I'm saying? As I didn't bother myself with this upward movement. I was just waiting for them. Uh, I mean, for price to get to my sell zone, so I can start selling. Euro USD to the downside. You know what I'm saying? And Euro USD is just around the sell zone there. Yes, and then possibly if you want to sell, you can sell it anywhere here, but stop losses put them above this high. You know what I'm saying? So that once it breaks that high, then you know that okay, it's a new trend. You know what I'm saying? Instead of putting your stop losses here, and then possibly stop hunts trigger you out, and then you lose out on all the pips coming down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, what up, family? I'm back again. is UJ, stubborn as pair. You know what I'm saying? But I think we all know. I think we all know by now. You know what I'm saying? What's been going on with UJ? UJ's been annoying the hell out of me. Dollar strength has been gaining, but UJ has been falling. But anyway, it's none of my business. But I was just trying to tell y'all that I hate UJ for a reason. It's okay. This channel doesn't really affect anything at the moment. Okay. Ta-da-ta-ta. Yesterday, big bearish candles. I mean, usually I'm bearish, not because of the dollar strength. No, 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 no. But because of the technical side. Just looking at the technicals only, not even factoring in the dollar or anything. I just believe UJ is bearish uh, because of just technicals. Because past 2 3 weeks the dollar has been gaining, but UJ has been falling. So that should tell you something that the JPYs are quite quite in a run for their money. You know what I'm saying? They are actually quite strong, man. The JPYs are quite strong. But yeah, I've been zooming in and out of this chart trying to see what I can possibly see. You know what I'm saying? It's trying to see if I can get um any points where, you know what I'm saying, I can be like, okay, this is a good nice reversal area or anything. But anyway, let me just draw my support resistance first. All right. Which reason is that? And I make sure my support resistance is not too thick. This is just a 20, 20 pip thickness. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then once we broke to the downside, I'm just expecting maybe, you know what I'm saying, for the traders for UJ, I'm expecting price to come through, come retest this. Before continued downfall. So if you wanna really just see where exactly to take this trade, you could just take it by the 0.618. Targets could be your target could be 109.23, but first TP should be 109.55, but then sell it when it's around 110.300. You know what I'm saying? But also don't just sell it. Wait to see any bearish candlesticks before selling. You know what I'm saying? Don't just sell blindly. For sure. What up, family? Back. You know what I'm saying? I've been trying to keep my voice low but also audible for you guys because people are currently sleeping. It's 5 a.m. You know what I'm saying? So people are still sleeping and all. But yeah, um, gold. Gold is in its own new zone. I don't know what zone this is, but you know, it's chilling. Gold. And ta da ta ta. For sure. Okay. Yeah. Then where my support resistance at? Let me just draw that. Support resistance. Mm-mm-mm. Most def. Price is actually approaching my resistance, but I don't expect. You know what I'm saying? I don't expect gold to 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 start rising. I expect it to start falling actually. Um, yeah, I've been doing the same thing I was doing, zooming in and out because I literally have no idea what's gonna go on. But I remembered something. I remember that sometimes charts could show me this, which looks like a nice like a nice rising wedge. You know what I'm saying? I remember what pair was that? I think that was I think CAD CHF or one of these exotic pairs. What happened was, yeah, I think it's one of these CADs. What happened was I saw a rising wedge. Price broke out, making the rising wedge invalid, and then the next 4 hour candle was bearish as hell to make that chart just fall. I forgot what pair that was, but we'll see where gold is. Probably it can also start falling. You know what I'm saying? But right now it's approaching resistance, or it's about resistance. So I'm gonna expect maybe some downward movement for now. But with gold, it's a bit tricky. I'm only gonna sell it once it breaks this counter trend line down here. Once it breaks to the downside, I can't really give you exact figures because I wouldn't really know when it will break this counter trend line. But just wait for the break of this bottom counter trend line before you can start thinking of any shorts. All right? Okay. So the first thing is we have we have okay. So yesterday though, how was yesterday? Oh my god. Yesterday there was no news. Awesome. Today we just had the Aussie dollar news 2 hours ago. You know what I'm saying? But they weren't that much. Tomorrow we're gonna have NZD retail sales, and not even tomorrow, but later in the night. You know what I'm saying? In the morning, yeah, in the night, whatever it is. But in exactly what 22 hours, 20 hours, yeah. And then we also have tomorrow, that is, we have CAD retail sales and the crude oil as usual, and then FOMC meeting. FOMC meeting may be lit. Thursday we have nothing at all. You know what I'm saying? Friday we have core durable goods and Fed Chair Powell speaking. You know what I'm saying? And if you're new to the family, subscribe. If you've been here, please like the video, and also to the new people, just like the video. I got you. And then also comment some currency pairs that I can analyze, or hit me up on Telegram for me to analyze whatever currency pair that you want me to do. Not that I'm gonna provide useful info, but I'll just try my best. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, gang, chop